Hello friends, today I am going to show a very simple cold salad. Okay, the ingredients needed are diced capsicum, carrots, some green chilies, sliced onions, an apple and cucumber. And then on top of that you need pepper and Himalayan red salt. Okay, we call this Rajasthani salt. So this is the Himalayan red salt. And just a spoonful of sesame oil. That's all you need. Okay, so it's a very simple and yet tasty and nutritious thing. I'll show you how it is done. After you cut the onions, it is very important that you kind of separate them and make them into little individual strands like noodles. Okay, so they tend to stick together like this, right? So if you separate it, then okay, this one I should not have put in. Okay, like this. When you cut the apple, you cut them into small pieces like this. Okay, just kind of close to the onions. Okay, it doesn't have to be so small, but you can't put the apple in big pieces like this. After I've chopped the apples, I add the sesame oil to the apples. There is a reason for that. The apple tends to get slightly brown if you expose it to oxygen for a long time, so this kind of fights against it, and the oil is good for you anyway. So I add oil to this, mix it around, and then I add this to the salad. Okay, I'll show you how. I need like 3 hands for me to film and cook. This is not cooking, technically this is cutting, but so now the apple is coated with the oil, right? More or less. Then I add this on top. That's a huge bowl of salad that will go into the fridge for it to cool, and before I eat, I will add sliced almonds to it. Okay, so I'll show you the end product when I'm ready to eat it. Okay, there was way too many vegetables for this bowl, so I've transferred it into this bigger container, and you have to kind of turn it around like so, mix it. Okay, and it goes into the fridge as it is. The freshly ground pepper and the Himalayan rock salt is added at the very end, because the pepper has a lot of volatile gases that give it the peppery smell and taste, and if you expose the powder too much to the atmosphere, you will lose all the flavor. So this is why pepper powder is a bad idea. Buying pepper, anything powdered is a bad idea, because almost all the taste is gone. Okay, so I'm going to keep this in the fridge now, and I'll show it to you before I eat. So just as an additional garnish, you take some, I don't know, maybe 10 almonds and then chop them up, and you can use it as a garnish. I'll show you how. So now the salad is ready. It's been in the fridge for about an hour and a half. I chopped up 6 or 7 almonds. I kept the rest back, and I'm going to add fresh pepper and Himalayan salt. So remember, I added the oil to the apples, and you can see that the apple has not gone brown. Usually if you cut the apple and keep it, it will become brown. So that is the reason why I added the oil first to the apple and then added the apples to the salad. So the salad is ready. Just to give it some color, I am adding some tomatoes on top. Tomatoes are really good for you. I think they are rich in vitamin C as well, and they are a good laxative, raw tomatoes. Okay, and then here you have almonds on top, and finally I will grind some pepper on it. I will show you. So can you see the freshly ground pepper on top? I have added loads of it. Pepper is good for you as well. So this is one huge salad. This is going to be my lunch. I hope you will try it as well and see if you like it.